Hi, my name is Natasha. In this video, I'll be talking about science as a language using a place as a way to encourage children's learning and participation in early childhood curriculum and pedagogy. Firstly, I want to highlight the importance of STEM in early childhood education. It requires children to be active learners, focusing on a play-based approach to learning as they are exploring the world around them and making sense of people, places, and things they interact with. According to the Reggio Emilia approach, a good natural environment such as local parks, reserves, or forests provides learning opportunities for children to explore, question, and discover STEM learning. Science is a way of understanding, investigating, and explaining our natural physical world. It gives children a new perspective of their surroundings to mobilize their agency. I decided to go to the Royal Botanical Garden as a place for the walking activity. The reason is that this garden was made to display a diverse collection of plants from all around the world. Some of the elements that I observed from my walk in the garden are trees, plants, water, ducks, and birds. Each of these elements have agency, and we are all entangled with these elements. Starting from trees, they provide oxygen for us to breathe. Some fruits like apples, mangoes, oranges, and cherries grow on trees. They provide food for living things. Trees also provide shelter for animals like squirrels, birds, bees, and insects. Trees connect and speak to each other through their roots. Just like us, we are entangled in our particles and thoughts. Plants are also like trees, but instead of having woody stems, they are softer and easily bendable. Plants provide fruits and vegetables. Given their smaller size compared to trees, some plants can be used for decorative purposes in parks and also backyard gardens at home. An interesting fact about water is that it covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Even our bodies need water to survive. Drinking water keeps our body hydrated. Water is also home to many animals like fish, crabs, turtles, insects, and many others. Just like us, plants need water to grow and survive. In the picture given, this body of water surrounded by land is called a lake. Some lakes can be a result of rainwater. You can see some water plants that lives in lakes. Here we can see the duck loves water. Their feather makes it possible for them to float on water. Ducks have webbed feet for them to paddle and swim in the water. Ducks also have high metabolism and can drink over a gallon of water every day. Lastly, birds also have feathers. Do you know that their feathers are very soft and it keeps them warm? Which is why our pillows and blankets are made of feathers. Some of them have wings in order to fly. They make unique and beautiful voices when they chirp and interact with other birds. They also make their own houses, which we call them nests, for them to lay their eggs, which are made up of tree branches, sticks, grass, and leaves. Trees and plants are classified as chemical science as both of them need sunlight, water, and soil to get nutrients and in order to grow. This process is called photosynthesis. When we eat fruits and vegetables, they contain sugar that gives us energy to run, think, and breathe. Some leaves can fall from trees and plants when seasons change. They turn to brown or orange when they are not able to create food anymore for the trees. Water is classified as earth and space science. Water takes up about 71% of the Earth's surface, and water cycle affects the changes it has on Earth. It's a process where hot water evaporates from the surface of the Earth, forms into clouds, and rains back to the surface. Rainwater creates life for trees, plants, animals, and humans on Earth. Lastly, ducks and birds are classified as biological science. Just like humans, animals are able to reproduce, but instead of giving birth to babies, they lay eggs. Their eggs then hatch into chicks for baby birds and ducklings for baby ducks. As you can see, science is everywhere. Exploring the natural world provides rich, authentic learning experiences for children. It offers children the opportunity to use their creativity and imagination and enhance their problem-solving skills. Thank you for listening to my presentation.